Hi, Liana here from Everyday Crystal Magic, teaching about crystals in simple terms so you can use them to transform your life. So today we're outdoors. Summer is here, fun times. It's the season to spend more time outdoors and connect with nature. And in this video, I have a good list of excellent companions to take on your next hike or nature walk, or bring nature and their friends to your backyard. Here they are. The first one, though it's not a crystal, I want to start with petrified wood. It connects to the natural world, is healing and grounding. Think of connecting to your roots. It helps to calm scattered energies. You can carry petrified wood with you or place it in your home in the area that represents the center of or main room. The jaspers. Jasper, specifically ocean jasper, rainforest jasper, and picture jasper. The immense variety of this crystal represents the bounty of nature. I also want to say the name jasper applies to a group of crystals and rocks. When buying, make sure you get your crystals from reputable stores and do some homework about what you're interested in before hitting the shops. I had mentioned this before. Jasper has a nurturing energy that works at your pace. They are excellent grounding and centering stones and physical rejuvenators. With ocean jasper, you experience joy and happiness. It helps you release negative feelings and brings in optimism. It helps with stress relief and with positive and loving communication. It brings consensus and cooperation. Ocean jasper resonates with solar plexus, heart, and throat chakras. Rainforest jasper or green rhyolite is all about healing and deep connection to nature. This crystal helps with healing nature and healing your physical body. It also promotes self-esteem. Rainforest jasper is happy and it sends out that vibration, and the wonderful thing about this is you will attract the same. It's a heart chakra crystal and facilitates communication with nature, spirits, and elementals. Now, picture jasper is so much fun because that's what you see when you look at it, a landscape in a stone. It promotes connection to earth. It guides you to find your path. It helps in letting go of fear and to find harmony. Moss agate is so generous. Like jasper, is abundant in colors and patterns and is very affordable. I love moss agate because it's the farmer's stone. It helps to bring abundant harvest. The pieces I own live with my houseplants. It helps them thrive indoors. Like all green stones, it has a heart chakra connection and attracts nature spirits. For physical healing, it helps with inflammation. The last one today is chlorite quartz. This is another crystal that vibrates with the higher chakras. It has a deep connection with nature spirits and higher realms. Use chlorite quartz to invite the elementals to your garden or backyard. This is also a healer stone and a healing stone, meaning it's a crystal for those who practice shamanism and distance healing. For the act of healing, it's a great crystal for physical conditions and also for issues of emotional or spiritual origin. It's a quartz. It will amplify the energy of other crystals you combine it with. As always, the easiest way to use these crystals are in jewelry or carry the stones with you in a medicine bag. Jasper being so generous and easily available, you can find beautiful palm stones you can take with you when hiking or going for a nature walk. Have fun out there, be safe, and let me know in your trips and what kind of new visitors are you bringing to your place for experimenting with these crystals. Don't forget to download your free guide and check the links below for free mini courses in Everyday Crystal Magic School. Until next time, be well, have fun, and do some magic.